Well, there's my bridge across Shadow Creek. That thing is underwater. There's no way I'm getting across that. That thing is slimy and scummy as hell. It's deep right there on both sides. I'm gonna ford it down there. Man, this river is beautiful. Look at this for fishing. Huh, guys? Gals? Fisher people? Hopper dropper heaven. So yeah, I'm gonna go across right there. It's not deep, it's running pretty fast, but I can get across. Then back up in there. There's a lake somewhere back up in there. A couple of thousand feet or so. I'll figure it out. Now here we go. Breakfast of the champions.